In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable and disable screen auto-rotate feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. By default, if we rotate our screen in that way for most the apps such as YouTube, for example, it switches the screen from portrait mode to the landscape mode. To enable or disable that feature, all we have to do is just pull down from the top of the screen twice to expand it, and that's where we can easily find auto rotate. If it is highlighted, it means that auto rotate feature is now turned on, and if we tap on it once, we can easily turn it off. Please note that when the feature is turned off, it will say portrait. And now if we try to rotate our device, nothing happens. But if we tap at portrait, it will start working again. That's how it's done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.